The Suzuki Swift Concept is a model designed to introduce a fresh perspective on the Swift, developed with the overarching concept of drive and feel. Presented here at the Japan Mobility Show 2023. Shifting from tangible consumption to experiential consumption, the Swift Concept not only offers design and driving but also presents a novel dimension of enjoying your car in your daily life. It's equipped with an array of advanced safety technologies, including dual sensor brake support, collision mitigation braking, adaptive high beam system and driver monitoring system.